Andrew Neil exposed the daunting reality of Boris Johnson's intensive care admission, revealing the terrifying odds for the Prime Minister as he continues to be T.Tila against C.O.R.O.N.A. virus. In a stunning admission, Downing Street has announced that the Prime Minister has been moved into intensive care. Reportedly, Boris Johnson began to experience trouble breathing and was taken to hospital around 7 p.m. tonight. The Tory leader has been self-isolating in Number 10 after testing positive for coronavirus. Despite assurances from Deputy PM Dominic Raab, fears have arisen over the severity of Mr Johnson's health problems. Senior BBC journalist Andrew Neil stunned Twitter users when he shared a terrifying statistic that could greatly impact the PM's chances. The BBC host wrote, "I'm told on good authority that after circa 10 days this virus either gives up and you recover with no damage done, or it really. The PM's decision to work through his isolation will not have helped." Nor loneliness in Downing Street. During the daily briefing on Monday, Mr Raab made assurances that the PM was only admitted as a precaution and would still be carrying out his leadership role. However, BBC political editor Laura Kunzberg voiced concern over whether Mr Johnson was well enough to tackle the national emergency. She had asked, if the Prime Minister is ill enough to need to be in hospital, how can he be well enough to run the country at a time of national emergency? Wouldn't it be better if he stepped back, even briefly, in order to recover? Mr Raab had defended the decision. On the PM, he was admitted to hospital for tests as a precaution only. That was because some of the symptoms that he had when he first tested positive. He's had a comfortable night in St Thomas, he's in good spirits and he's being regularly updated. He still remains in charge of the government. We're getting on with all of the various strands of work to make sure that home and abroad, we can defeat the virus and pull the country through coronavirus and the challenges that undoubtedly we're facing at the moment. Mr Raab has said government business will continue despite the PM being moved to ICU. The Foreign Secretary will deputize where necessary, according to Number 10. He said Mr Johnson is in safe hands and has been receiving excellent care. Mr Raab added, the government's business will continue and the Prime Minister is in safe hands with that brilliant team at St Thomas Hospital. The focus of the government will continue to be on making sure that the Prime Minister's direction, all the plans for making sure that we can defeat coronavirus and can pull the country through this